So my name is Naina. I work in Aleron fire protection as a sales engineer,
All right, okay. So how long have you been with Teleron then?
like a year and a half.
Right. How's the journey been? And what was the recruitment process like?
Yeah, they found me in a recruitment platform
Okay.
and they contacted me, sent me a task. I completed it, they liked it, and they invited me to interviews.
Right.
Yeah,
There must have been something that stood out on your CV. So did you have some form of qualifications or certification? What exactly do you think is the reason behind them contacting you?
I think it's a mix of qualifications, personal and professional, I guess. But I hold a degree in structural engineering and civil engineering, and I had some of the knowledge of fire engineering. Probably they get attractive by that.
Oh, okay.
I
How
guess.
do you feel as a woman
As a woman,
being a fire engineer? Well, you're in sales side of things,
yeah,
but how do you feel working within the industry as a woman?
I feel pretty comfortable, to be
Right.
honest, because I'm confident in my qualifications, in my experience, in what I do.
So what's your day-to-day role like then? So if I come across you and I'm asking, I know you said sales engineer,
Yeah.
what is your day-to-day task like?
Well, I day to day, every day, I analyze drawings, project specifications, project requirements, and I try to propose to the client the compliant fire safety solution. I also collaborate with manufacturers, our project managers to make sure everything is compliant and what the client needs and also profitable for us as a company.
Okay. Yeah. So from the client's perspective, what you're doing is looking at all of their paperwork and sorting out sales wise what would work best for them and what works for you as a business.
Yes.
So in your journey with Aleron, for instance, you said just over a year. Now, how would you say your progress has been since joining them till date?
It's a dramatical progress, I would say, because before that, I've never worked in that industry, and everything was new to me. But with the help of our team, I progressed very quickly.
Oh, brilliant. So, if you were to advise other women out there or young people considering coming into built environments, into the industry, what would you say to them?
I would say be very attentive to details. It's very important in construction
Yeah.
as a whole. Be creative and also be resilient to work under the pressure of deadlines, etc. And also communication and sales skill for my role is a key.
Yeah, quite important.
Yeah.
Right, okay. So, around the team within the business, for instance, what would you say the representation in terms of women compared to men you've got? That's a tricky question,
Tricky
is it? Yeah.
But honestly, I just talked with my boss about the difference between men and women, and he said that women are, are more resilient
Okay.
and they work harder. He noticed that,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
I think I agree with them.
Right. Okay. As an industry, then, do you think that, or what do you think could be done to get more women talking fire?
Talking fire.
Yeah.
What can
More
be done?
women working in fire safety or in built environments, in construction.
If they're interested, they should be free to go and study and learn whatever they want. And
Yeah.
they
Did you
deserve.
study in the UK?
Yes.
Oh, right.
The
Okay. So you did
Yeah.
All right. Brilliant. So when you came out of university, you applied online
Right.
and then they found your CV, contacted you,
Yeah.
and you got the job.
Yeah.
Did it deter you that, oh, there's not many women doing this? Did it ever cross your mind?
No, never.
Really?
Yeah.
So you were of the mindset that I just want this job, I'm going to go for it, and that's it. Because I think it's a mindset thing as well. As long as you want something and
Yeah.
you're ready to work for it, because yeah, it doesn't come easy.
Yes.
You know,
Sure.
you've got to put the work in. So if
Right.
that's the case, then particularly understanding that we're in a male-dominated industry, as a woman, you've got to be ready to also put the work in,
Yeah,
help
sure.
yourself stand out.
Sure.
You know,
That's important.
right? Okay. So apprenticeship or degree? What would you say?
For my role,
Yeah.
I think a degree is always beneficial.
Oh, okay. Brilliant.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, at the end of the day, it's down to every individual's path, really,
Yes.
what they feel is best for them.
Sure.
Brilliant. All right. Thank you. Thanks for your time.